Good morning, traders. Market situation update. We're back Monday morning today. We want to talk about the Canadian Swiss franc. We left it last week as it was marching forward with the target at 73.28. So that got tagged just before the weekend kicked in. So we're going to talk about that. Next video is going to be all about the cryptocurrency market, where we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin that seems to be heading for a massive breakdown. We're going to talk about that. Canadian Swiss franc had reached target. Having said that, it's not, we don't think that's the end of it. So we did break down that move into two different stages. So the first stage, reaching 73.28, that's check. Now, we also knew that we're going to take a break at that point, stay on the sideline for a while, and reanalyze the situation until we feel that it's safe to jump right back in. I want to show you what happened during last Friday. So price action came with a lot of force. We had our target at 73.28, knocked off that target, and managed to close the daily bar slightly above that level. And that's also a weekly closing bar. But from this perspective, you can see another prominent key level that's actually more significant, 73.16, coming from the big picture weekly chart. So here we have a breakout confirmation for not only 73.28, as you can see the close is 73.29, but also above 73.16, which we believe is actually more important and suggests that price action potentially could continue pushing forward all the way to 74.63, where it last came from. Right, that's the upper section on this large scale system, and price action can even go beyond and chase the previous highs around 75. So that's the potential. Between 74.63 to 75, we do have an obstacle at 74.09 that will definitely deserve our attention. But still, it's pretty far away. For now, we decided that we're going to put our money where our mouth is, and we launched a new position on the Canadian Swiss franc. Re-established that bullish campaign this time. This is the second stage of this potential move. We're trying to chase the second stage of this move. Price action did dip a little bit below 73.28 at the beginning of the session today. We actually think that's a good. Thing that we can get in a better price, more of attractive price right now. So we just pulled the trigger with 15K. Once price action cross over 73.28, we'll start to to get more aggressive. 74.09, as I've mentioned earlier, is a secondary target. We'll definitely use that area for partial execution. But at the end of the day, 74.63 is our primary profit target and final destination. Let's see how it goes. We got our stop loss level sitting at 72.50, sorry, should keep us safe here. We're hiding below 73.16 for protection right there. So if price action begins to drill through 73.16 on the downside, we'll start to consider closing out that position. But for now, this is how the game plan is laid out, and we'll definitely come back to follow up and keep you posted. In the meantime, we'll say goodbye, moving on to the next one. Bitcoin is coming right up. See you there.